So it's been the worst kept secret in local football. The ascendancy of technical committee chairman and the technical leader of the champion club, Cavalier, to the position of technical advisor to the Reggae Boys head coach, Steve McLaren. And look, for people who have a problem with this speedy appointment, forget the name and the person, Rudolph Speed. Look at it as us having a massive opportunity to qualify for the World Cup. But the team has been getting some awkward and embarrassing results. Coach Steve McLaren is struggling somewhat. So the JFF decides that instead of firing Steve McLaren and potentially discombobulating the entire process, let us add someone who is familiar with the players and someone who is familiar with the process. Let us call on Jamaica's top football mind and top football coach. Let us add that person to the technical staff. What's wrong with that? What is wrong with that? What is wrong with that? Tell me what.